We're going to a elephant retreat to play around with some elephants in Chiang Mai in Thailand. We're gonna see how this goes. I have low expectations, but it should be fun anyway. Silly little thing. It gives a reason to keep these elephants alive, I suppose. And I don't really want to ride on them because it feels like it's making them work too hard. All right, so I'm here with some bananas and one. Here we go. Oh yeah. You want another one? Yeah, you're good. Bon. Yeah. Bon, yeah. This guy's hungry. Oh yeah, you want some more? These are some big elephants, and actually they're not that big compared to African elephants. These are Asian elephants, but much more tame, much more relaxed here in Chiang Mai, or near Chiang Mai in Thailand. Feeding time for them. Always feeding time. Huh? Okay, let's go over here. Check this out. Yeah.
Okay, so then got it. Kiss. Don't push.
That was thoroughly disgusting.
You have to think this is your girlfriend.
Yeah, okay, oh, in that case, all right.
Okay, come on, again. Okay. You got.
Wife, girlfriend, oh.
Yes.
Yes. Love you.
Kiss, jup.
Why?
Sweet?
That is delicious.
You
Never
want?
been kissed by a sloppy kiss. This is something you just cannot do with African elephants. African elephants are a lot more aggressive, less tame. I'm all here by myself. That's the Instagram version, of course. Of course, there's a lot of other tourists behind me. But it feels like I'm by myself if I film from this perspective, right? It feels like I'm in the jungle by myself. I found these wild elephants. This brings new dimensions to Hung Like a Horse.
Another trunk, huh?
This guy is hung.
Okay. If you're ready, then come here.
This is medicine, yeah. There, more deep, come on. Oh, there you go. Nice. It tastes really good, actually, I'm sure. The hair feels really nice and soft. Kind of like spikes here, but if you go like this, it feels nice and soft. Wow, baby elephant on the run.